A Ritual for Leaving by Rabbi Michael Howald. Today we close one chapter of our lives and begin another. Every life of accomplishment contains many such passages. Like them, we linger and celebrate all we have received in this place. As we close one chapter of our lives and begin another, we remember with gratitude the many blessings we enjoyed under the shelter of this roof. In this sanctuary, we built a haven from the outside world. Its light drove away the darkness that crouched at night. Its warmth nurtured our love and gave us proof against the cold. We remember with gratitude these many blessings. We celebrate with joy the community we built upon this foundation. Into this sanctuary, we poured our dreams and prayers. We shared our love and filled these rooms with youthful laughter and an argument or two along the way. We honor with affection all those who crossed this threshold with us. We celebrated our triumphs and joys and shared our sorrows and fears. With them, we marked the holidays and the milestones of our lives. We honor with affection all those who crossed this threshold with us. Today, we close one chapter of our lives and begin another. By leaving one home and making another, we know we do not leave God. As we begin a new chapter of our lives, we pray that our new home will provide us with all the fulfillment we enjoyed under the shelter of this roof and upon its foundation.